Abatacept is a disease-modifying antirheumatic drug, DMARD, used in the management of rheumatic conditions, such as rheumatoid or psoriatic arthritis, and for the prophylaxis of acute graft-versus-host disease. In this video, let's find. What is Abatacept? What is Abatacept used for? Contraindication. What are the side effects of taking Abatacept? How does Abatacept work? How to use Abatacept? What is Abatacept? Abatacept, sold under the brand name Orencia, is a medication used to treat autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis by interfering with the immune activity of T cells. It is a modified antibody. Abatacept was developed by Bristol Myers Squibb and is licensed in the United States for the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis in the case of inadequate response to anti-TNF-alpha therapy. Abatacept received approval from the FDA in 2005. What is Abatacept used for? Abatacept is indicated in adult patients for the treatment of moderately to severely active rheumatoid arthritis and for the treatment of active psoriatic arthritis. In patients 2 years of age and older, Abatacept is also indicated for the treatment of moderately to severely active juvenile idiopathic. Abatacept is also indicated for the prophylaxis of acute graft-versus-host disease, in combination with methotrexate and a calcineurin inhibitor such as tacrolimus, in patients 2 years of age and older who are undergoing hematopoietic stem cell transplantation from a matched or one allele mismatched unrelated donor. Contraindication. Abatacept has not been tested in pregnant women and it is not known if it is secreted in breast milk. It causes birth defects in rodents when given in very high doses, and is transmitted in rodent breast milk. Abatacept will likely interfere with any vaccine given while people are taking it. It should not be used in combination with anakinra or TNF antagonists. Side effects. Very common adverse effects, occurring in more than 10% of people, include upper respiratory tract infections. Common adverse effects, occurring in between 1% and 10% of people, include lower respiratory tract infections, urinary tract infections, herpes infections, pneumonia, flu, cough, high blood pressure, stomach pain, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, upset stomach, mouth sores, elevated transaminases, rashes, fatigue, weakness, local injection site reactions, and systemic injection reactions. Pharmacodynamic. Abatacept is the first in a new class of drugs known as selective co-stimulation modulators. Known as a recombinant fusion protein, the drug consists of the extracellular domain of human cytotoxic T lymphocyte-associated antigen 4, CTLA-4, linked to a modified F portion of human immunoglobulin G1, IgG1. The Fc portion of the drug consists of the hinge region, the CH2 domain, and the CH3 domain of IgG1. Although there are multiple pathways and cell types involved in the pathogenesis of rheumatoid arthritis, evidence suggests that T-cell activation may play an important role in the immunopathology of the disease. Ordinarily, full T-cell activation requires binding of the T-cell receptor to an antigen MHC complex on the antigen-presenting cell as well as a co-stimulatory signal provided by the binding of the CD28 protein on the surface of the T-cell with the CD/86 proteins on the surface of the antigen-presenting cell. CTLA-4 is a naturally occurring protein which is expressed on the surface of T-cells some hours or days after full T-cell activation and is capable of binding to CD80/86 on antigen-presenting cells with much greater affinity than CD28. Binding of CTLA-4 Ig to CD80/86 provides a negative feedback mechanism which results in T-cell deactivation. Abatacept was developed by Bristol Myers Squibb and is licensed in the U.S. for the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis in the case of inadequate response to anti-TNF-alpha therapy. Mechanism of action. Abatacept is a selective co-stimulation modulator, like CTLA-4. The drug has shown to inhibit T-cell, T lymphocyte, activation by binding to CD80 and CD86, thereby blocking interaction with CD28. Blockade of this interaction has been shown to inhibit the delivery of the second co-stimulatory signal required for optimal activation of T cells. This results in the inhibition of autoimmune T-cell activation that has been implicated in the pathogenesis of rheumatoid arthritis. Half-life: 16.7, 12 to 23 days in healthy subjects, 13.1, 8 to 25 days in RA subjects, 14.3 days when subcutaneously administered to adult RA patients. Dose: rheumatoid arthritis. Indicated for moderately to severely active rheumatoid arthritis, RA, in adults. For infusion: less than 60 kilograms, 500 milligrams, 60 to 100 kilograms, 750 milligrams, greater than 100 grams, 1000 milligrams. Maintenance: above dose repeated Q2 weeks x2, then Q4 weeks. SC injection. SC administration may be initiated with or without an 4-loading dose. If 4-loading dose is used, administer first SC injection within 1 day of infusion. 125 mg SC/Q week. Transitioning from 4 to SC, administer first SC dose instead of scheduled 4 dose. Psoriatic arthritis. Indicated for adults with active psoriatic arthritis, may be used with or without non-biologic DMARDs. Fusion: less than 60 kilograms, 500 milligrams, 60 to 100 kilograms, 750 milligrams, greater than 100 kilograms, 1000 milligrams. Maintenance: above dose repeated Q2 weeks x2, then Q4 weeks. SC injection. 125 milligrams SC/Q week, without the need for an 4-loading dose. Switching from 4 to SC, administer the first SC dose instead of the next scheduled 4 dose. Safety advice: this drug may cross the placenta into the fetus when a woman is treated with this drug during pregnancy, thus, these infants may be at increased risk of infection. That's all the information about Abatacept we collected. Thanks for listening. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for the HeInfo channel if you like this video, to update more health information.